If you crave something sweet with a chocolate in it, then I highly recommend this very easy to make dessert and there is no baking involved. Yes, you heard me right. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make no-bake chocolate cake. This cake is also known as a chocolate biscuit cake, a refrigerator cake and a chocolate tiffin. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start with chopping my chocolate. I have these 2 chocolate bars with me and I'm going to chop them into small pieces. Here I have a tip for you. Whenever you are making a dessert where chocolate is the main flavor, it's very important to use a good quality semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate, which you enjoy eating even normally. So take that chocolate which you love, which you like to eat. So once the chocolate is chopped, transfer this into a heat-proof bowl along with some butter. I have half unsalted butter and half is salted. You can use either of them. Also add some honey into this and now melt this with a double boiler method. So heat water in a pan and put your glass bowl over it. Now meanwhile, let's chop our nuts. These are toasted walnuts. I'm going to chop these into tiny pieces. You can either toast them in a pan over a gas stove or a baking sheet in an oven. So once these are chopped, transfer these in another bowl. Now add some chopped or slivered almonds. Now here you can use any nuts of your choice. So I have some mixed cookies with me, chocolate cookies and some digestive biscuits. You can take any biscuits of your choice. Chop them into tiny pieces and add them to the nuts. You can keep them big or small as per your taste, as per your choice. And now I'm adding some mixed items, like there are some chocolate chips, some dried cranberries, dried strawberries and a few chocolate covered raisins and blueberries. So this is your choice. You can add whatever you have or whatever you feel like eating in your chocolate biscuit cake. So mix all of these together and now let's check our chocolate. Okay, so our chocolate is now melted. So once melted and mixed, remove from heat and keep it on the countertop. Stir it and then pour into the nuts and biscuit mixture. Stir it until everything is coated with the chocolate mixture. Now here is the loaf pan I'm using today. It's a 9 by 5 inch pan which I have lined with butter paper. This way it becomes easy to take it out of the pan, Now spread the mixture in this prepared pan. Try to flatten the top. Just try to make it as smooth as possible. Cover it with a cling wrap and I'm going to refrigerate it for 2 or 3 hours or even overnight. So this is our biscuit cake after keeping it in the fridge overnight. So let's check this. It looks amazing. So to make it more beautiful and chocolatey, I'm going to dust it with some unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, now cut a slice or break a slice and enjoy this yummy chocolatey delight. Now this can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for about a week or so. You can even freeze it for about a month and a half. I hope you like this different but easy to make cake recipe, which is perfect to try in this hot summer weather. And if you try, do share the pictures with me on my Instagram. My Insta handle is Deepali Ohri. So until we meet again, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Happy baking. Nana. Happy no baking.